Is there. In Spanish, learn.
Hay.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll nail the English question, is there, using the Spanish phrase.
Hay.
Feel that curious, hopeful vibe as you ask. It's the tiny flashlight that checks what exists. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll ask about availability smoothly, with a smile. Ready? Let's go. Core match. Is there, equals.
Hay.
Affirmative.
Hay.
Equals there is, there are. Negation.
No hay.
Equals there isn't, there aren't. We're talking availability.
Disponibilidad.
And existence.
Existencia.
Tip. Don't overthink number.
Hay.
Works for both singular and plural. Compare. Do you have, equals.
Tienes.
To a person, but, as there, equals.
Hay.
General existence. Real life examples. You'll hear it everywhere: travel, food, and problem solving. Repeat after me out loud. Travel. Is there a bus to the airport?
¿Hay un autobús al aeropuerto?
At home. Is there any milk left?
¿Hay leche?
Troubleshooting. Is there a problem?
¿Hay un problema?
Restaurant. Is there a free table?
¿Hay una mesa libre?
Errands. Is there a pharmacy near here?
¿Hay una farmacia cerca de aquí?
Hotel. Is there parking?
¿Hay aparcamiento?
Sci-fi bonus. Is there life on this planet?
¿Hay vida en este planeta?
Rhythm and gesture. Make it musical and your mouth will remember it. Try this. Beat drill. Clap.
Hay.
Clap. Pause. Repeat.
Hay.
Rhyme hook. I spy. You use your eye when you say.
Hay.
Gesture. Raise your eyebrows and open one palm as if asking for info.
Hay.
Dialogue at the cafe. Listen in, then echo the Spanish lines with confidence. You walk in and ask.
Disculpa, ¿hay mesas libres?
Server smiles.
Sí, hay una junto a la ventana.
You think, heroic level unlocked, existence confirmed. If not, they might say.
Lo siento, no hay.
Story vibe. A candle lights up as you whisper.
¿Hay mesa libre?
Your question summons the table. Magic? Maybe. Grammar? Definitely. Quick drills. You talk fast, the world answers faster. Repeat after me. You.
¿Hay un autobús a Madrid esta noche?
Answer.
Sí, hay.
You.
¿Hay leche?
Answer.
No, no hay.
You.
¿Hay un problema?
Answer.
No hay problema.
Bonus phrase. Farmer joke.
¿Hay heno?
Clerk.
No hay heno.
But there's humor. Culture tip. Tiny question, tasty outcome, use it like a local. In some bars you might ask.
¿Hay tapa con la bebida?
Practices vary by region, but asking politely wins. Sign spotting. Stores often post.
No hay.
Plus item when out of stock, e.g.
No hay pan.
Now you can decode it. Memory palace plus mnemonics. Stick it to your spaces, super glue for memory. Front door note.
¿Hay pan?
Kitchen counter sticky.
¿Hay café?
Backpack tag.
¿Hay llaves?
Mnemonic. Hey, sounds like, I, use your eyes to check if something exists.
Hay.
False friend alert. English, hey, dried grass, does not equal Spanish.
Hay.
There is, are. Lightning quiz. Quick check. Say it before I do. You've got this. Q1. How do you ask, is there, in Spanish? A.
Hay.
Q2. Choose the Spanish for, is there. A.
Hay.
Q3. You hear.
¿Hay café?
It means, is there coffee? Q4. Complete. There is, there are equals.
Hay.
There isn't, aren't equals.
No hay.
Q5. Restaurant. Ask for a free table.
¿Hay una mesa libre?
Challenge mode. Now you steer, 3 scenes, your turn to ask. Hotel. Ask about parking.
¿Hay aparcamiento?
If not.
No hay.
Pharmacy hunt. Near here?
¿Hay una farmacia cerca de aquí?
Space captain.
¿Hay vida en este planeta?
Reply dramatically.
Sí. Hay.
Or.
No hay.
Remember the concept. Availability.
Disponibilidad.
Existence.
Existencia.
Wrap up. Nice work, short question, big power. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Hay.
Plus.
Hay.
And.
No hay.
Whenever you check availability, your new superpower of existence. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons and practice, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time and keep your eye on.
Hay.